What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Ascanio Spread. Let's get into it. Now, getting right into the Ascanio Spread, the typical situation in which you use it is you usually have 4 of one card and then one card that you want to hide or 2 cards that you want to hide. And so the way to do this is to actually take the card that you want to hide and place it between the 4 queens. So 2 queens on one side, 2 queens on the other side. And all we're going to do is square it up. Now when you're showing the cards to the spectator, here's how you're going to do it. You're going to grip the cards like this, face up of course. You're going to take these 2 fingers, middle and ring finger, put it about here on the card, take your thumb, put it on the bottom, and don't squeeze too hard, but pretty much hold them firmly together like this. Just like a firm grip. So this way when you're spreading the cards, you don't accidentally spread out, this extra card that you have. Now generally you're showing the spectator you have 4 cards. So here's how it's going to happen. We're going to start off by sliding the first queen outwards with our thumb like this. So here, slide it out with our thumb. So now the spectator sees 2 queens. And when we slide it out with our thumb, we're going to slide it out until we clear this thumb here. So we're going to clear this thumb and slide it down. Okay, so the first one is going to go like this. And now the second and 4th queen that you're going to show, after this, you're going to go here from the back and grab out 1 queen like this. So from the back, you grab out 1 queen like this, and now you're showing 3 queens. So 1, 2, 3. So let's get there one more time. Here, slide out and down. In the back, slide out and up. And now instead of just using your fingers like we did for this card and this card, we're going to actually shift our whole hand. We're going to get a good grip on this card. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to take these fingers, push forward on this card, and just pull this back card. So it will look like it's coming out from the back like this. So now one more time. We're here, slide out with our thumb and down. And for this you're using the whole hand actually. So you're out and down. This one you're just using the fingers, this and up. And then for this one, the last one, you're using your whole hand again. So out and up, showing the 4 queens. So up to speed, it just looks like that. And you have the 4 queens. And of course, if you look in the center, we're hiding a card. And now of course this also works for having 2 cards, 3 cards, but I would not recommend doing more than 2. 3 cards, I have slipped up a few times where I grabbed too many in this grab, so too many cards shown. So I'd recommend doing this with 1 or 2 cards to probably get the best effect. And that is the Ascanio Spread. And I think it's a really cool way to hide cards, whether you're hiding an extra 1 card, extra 2 cards. So it's a really cool way to hide cards, and without the spectator even batting an eye towards the way you're spreading the cards. And I actually use this spread in my 4 Kings card trick, so I'll put a link to that on the screen so you can check that out as well. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the trick. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.